At the beginning of existence, the universe was silent. There were no stars burning in distant skies, no galaxies spinning slowly through space, no planets orbiting distant suns, no light, no sound, no movement, only darkness. But even the word darkness cannot fully describe that moment, because darkness normally exists inside space. Yet in this moment, even space itself did not exist. There was no direction, no up, no down, no past, no future, only a vast and mysterious stillness. Ancient Hindu scriptures describe this moment as the time before creation, a moment when the universe existed only as pure potential. Everything that would ever exist already existed in a hidden form. Every star, every galaxy, every planet, every living creature, all of it was waiting silently. And surrounding this silent reality, there existed something incredible, an endless cosmic ocean. Not an ocean like the seas on Earth, not made of ordinary water. This was a symbolic ocean of existence itself. Ancient sages called it Kshara Sagara, the cosmic ocean of creation. Its waters stretched across infinity, no shores, no horizon, no boundaries. The surface was perfectly calm, no waves, no storms, no movement, just an endless mirror of silence. The silence here was deeper than anything we can imagine, because at this moment, time itself had not yet begun. Without time, nothing moves, nothing changes, nothing grows. And yet something already existed within this cosmic ocean, a presence, a consciousness older than the universe itself. Ancient texts give this presence a name, Narayana, the eternal source of existence, the cosmic consciousness from which the universe emerges. Narayana floated peacefully upon the silent waters. The universe had not yet awakened, creation had not yet begun, but Narayana was already there. Ancient sages did not describe Narayana as a king sitting on a throne. They described him as something far deeper, the infinite awareness behind existence, the consciousness that holds the universe together, everything that would ever exist, every atom, every star, every galaxy, every world. All of it existed within Narayana, hidden, unmanifest, waiting, like a seed resting in the soil before it grows into a tree. Inside that tiny seed already exists the entire future tree, the branches, the leaves, the fruit. In the same way, the entire universe was resting within Narayana, sleeping, waiting for the moment of creation. But Narayana was not alone. Ancient scriptures describe another eternal being present in this moment, a gigantic cosmic serpent, a being unlike any creature known in the world. Its name was Shesha, the Endless One. Shesha represents infinity itself. Its enormous coils stretched across the cosmic ocean, supporting Narayana as he rested in deep cosmic stillness. The name Shesha means, that which remains, because when universes are created and when universes are destroyed, Shesha still remains eternal, unchanging. Some ancient texts describe Shesha with thousands of glowing heads, each hood shining with divine energy, like a living crown spread across the cosmic ocean, and upon those endless coils, Narayana rests peacefully, eyes closed, perfectly calm. The entire universe is still asleep. The stars are unborn, the galaxies do not yet exist. Time has not started flowing, but deep within the silence of the cosmic ocean, something is slowly preparing to begin. The first movement of creation, the first spark of the universe, the moment when existence will finally awaken. The cosmic ocean remains calm, dark, infinite. Its waters stretch endlessly through the silent universe. Nothing moves, nothing changes. Narayana continues resting peacefully upon the coils of Shesha beneath him. Shesha floats like a living foundation of infinity. His massive coils support Narayana above the cosmic ocean. His many glowing hoods spread outward like a divine canopy, protecting the source of creation. The universe remains silent, but deep within this silence something begins to change. A subtle energy appears. At first it is barely noticeable, a faint shimmer, a gentle golden glow. Ancient texts describe Narayana as the source of all creation. Every star that burns in the night sky, every planet that circles a distant sun, every galaxy drifting through space, all originate from Narayana. And now, that hidden creative power begins to awaken. The cosmic ocean starts reflecting a faint golden glow. The silent waters shimmer softly. The darkness of the universe begins to fade. The creation of the universe is part of an endless cosmic cycle. Universes appear, universes disappear, but the eternal beings remain. Shesha's thousands of heads glow like stars in the darkness, each one silently watching the beginning of creation. Then something incredible happens. From the center of Narayana, a point of light appears, a tiny spark of golden energy. At first it is small, barely visible, but slowly, the light begins to grow. The cosmic ocean reflects its glow across the endless waters. The silent universe begins to shine, and from that glowing center, something begins to emerge, a slender golden stem. Slowly rising upward, the stem grows gently from Narayana, stretching upward through the cosmic ocean, moving toward the empty sky of the newborn universe. The stem continues rising, higher and higher. Its golden surface shines with divine energy. The cosmic ocean reflects its light. The darkness continues fading. Something extraordinary is about to appear, something that will shape the universe itself. The first sign of creation. The golden stem continues rising through the cosmic ocean, slowly, gracefully, because at the top of the rising stem, something begins to form. At first it appears as a small glowing shape. Petals begin to appear, one by one, opening gently in the silent universe. A magnificent flower emerges, a lotus, but not an ordinary lotus. This is a cosmic lotus, a divine lotus glowing with golden light. Its petals shine like suns. Ancient scriptures describe this lotus as one of the most sacred symbols of creation. The lotus floats peacefully above the cosmic ocean, connected to Narayana through the long golden stem. Watching as the universe slowly prepares to begin, the waters reflect the glowing lotus above. Inside the lotus, a new being is forming, a being who will shape the universe, stars, planets, worlds. This being is Brahma, the cosmic creator, but at this moment, Brahma has not yet awakened. The lotus floats silently above the cosmic ocean. Inside its glowing petals, the creator sleeps. When Brahma awakens, he will find himself alone, floating above an endless cosmic ocean. No stars, no planets, no sky, and he will not know the purpose of his existence. Yet from that mystery the story of creation will begin. That story begins in the next episode, Birth of Brahma from the Lotus.